In this activity, you used a search engine to find activities to do with a friend. You used keywords to find exactly what you were looking for during your internet search. Then, you compared websites and search results in different browser tabs and linked websites in Google Docs so you could find them easily again without having to do another search. Knowing how to effectively search the internet for information is a useful skill. In this activity, you use search to find fun things to do, but you could also search for sources to use in a research paper for school, an item you would like to buy, job openings, books or periodicals you can borrow from the library, and recipes or instructions. These activities are just a sample of what you can do online. The internet makes many tasks more convenient and quick, and makes it possible to accomplish many goals while sitting at a computer or using a mobile device. You can do many other things over the internet, like purchase tickets to a movie or concert, order merchandise, and make appointments and reservations. Doing these things online can save you from having to wait in lines, drive to different locations, or make lots of phone calls. But the internet also comes with risks. Never give out credit card information, your social security number, or other personal information without carefully checking into who is asking for it. Call or email the company directly to find out if it is safe to give out your personal information. Think about who initiated the contact and whether the site is secure. If you logged into your bank account or an online retail account using your unique username and password, you can feel more secure about entering your credit card number. However, if you get a random request from a business to enter personal information, it probably isn't legitimate. If you do decide to make an online purchase using your credit card, such as buying movie tickets online, look at the address in the navigation bar for a sign that the site is secure, such as a lock or a green bar. It is safe in most cases to type credit card numbers and personal information into a secure site. The internet is a useful tool for getting both personal and professional tasks done efficiently and easily. But you also need to protect your personal information. If you are using a public computer and are done working for the day, sign out of your Google account. And close all browser tabs and windows so no one else can access your account information. Or click the arrow to move on to the next activity.